We are asked to solve 6 to the power of 2 to the power of x at 6 to the power of 2 root x equals 36 to the power of x. Now, to do this, this is what we are going to do. I'm going to have 6 to the power of 2 root x, then equals. 36 can be written in index form as 6 to the power of 2. And this 2 here, we have to be multiplying the power we have here, and we have 6 to the power of 2x. Now, quickly, because we are having the same basis, it shows that we are going to equate the powers. So that from the law of indices. So this implies that 2 root x, all right, will be equals to 2 what? 2x. Now, beautiful. It just reduced to the linear form now. Now, it just reduced to this. So what we are going to do now is that you see 2 here, you see 2 here. This 2 we cancel 2. If we divide through by 2. Now, the next thing is that we're going to be left with root x equals what? Equals x. Now, what are we going to do from here? What are we going to do? Now, what we are going to do here is very simple. So we find means of getting rid of what? Of this square root. So which shows that we are going to square the both sides. Now, squaring the both sides, there's a square both sides. So we're going to have x to be here because the square, we cancel the square root, then equals what? X squared. Now, majority of students make mistake here by dividing through by x. Please don't do that. If you do that, you are going to miss a solution. So what you need to do here is that since we have x squared here, we have x here. So this you can do rearrangement by writing x squared, take this to this side, minus x, then everything equals to 0. Now, let's see how we can solve this one. Now, to solve this one, what are you going to have? It shows that we are going to factor out the common value. So x is here, okay? Then multiply by x, that will give us x squared. Then minus x equals 0. So looking at this now, so you can see that x is common. So we're going to have take out x into x minus, but you divide this by this, we're going to have 1. We have 0. So which shows that we're going to have x to be equals to 0 or x minus 1 equals to 0. So from here we have x equals 0 or transpose 1 to this side, we're going to have x equals 1. So these are the two possible solutions of what? Of this. Do you understand? And that's it. So if you find the class very interesting, so do not hesitate to share to your friends so they can learn from this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.